Imagine a landscape so vast and wild, it whispers of an era when massive, majestic creatures roamed freely. I'm talking about the North Cascades in Washington, a place where nature's raw beauty tells a story older than time itself. In a historic move that echoes with both excitement and a deep respect for our natural world, the National Park Service and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service have announced plans to reintroduce grizzly bears into this breathtaking wilderness. Yes, grizzly bears. Creatures that symbolize the wild spirit of North America, yet they've been absent from this region since 1996. Why, you ask? Well, it's all about balance. Grizzly bears play a crucial role in maintaining the health of an ecosystem. They help regulate prey populations, disperse seeds, and even create habitats for other species during their routine activities. By bringing them back, we're taking a significant step towards restoring the ecological dynamics of the North Cascades. The plan is as thoughtful as it is bold. Bears from areas with healthy populations will be carefully relocated to the North Cascades, with continuous monitoring to ensure they adapt well to their new home. Think of it as a new beginning, not just for the bears, but for the park's biodiversity itself. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Is this safe? Absolutely. A comprehensive strategy to manage interactions between bears and humans is a key part of this project. Safety for both residents and bears is a priority. As we await the start of this remarkable journey, I invite you to reflect on the significance of such efforts. In a world that's rapidly changing, initiatives like these remind us of our responsibility, our duty, to preserve the Earth's precious wildlife. Let's support and stay informed about the progress of this noble endeavor to revive the wild in Washington's North Cascades. Remember, every small effort counts in the grand narrative of conservation. Together, let's celebrate and protect the diversity of life that makes our planet so uniquely wonderful. For more updates, keep an eye on the National Park Service's website. Until then, let's dream of a future where man and bear live in harmony with nature.